Good day, kakopong. Today, we are going to try cranking up my Colt Lancer 79 with a 4G32 Saturn engine. I got this car last week and delivered it by a tow truck. I checked the battery terminals if these are not corroded. Make sure that the contact points have a snug fit. In this video, I am fixing the cable from the solenoid of the carburetor. Since this is an old engine and no computer installed, checking if the engine is good is definitely easy. Start by checking on your starter, then distributor, ignition coil, and spark plugs. The main objective is to try to crank the engine and make sure there is no hard knocking sound while doing it. It is also best to consult a mechanic if it is your first time to do this. And also, never forget to use safety gears while working on your cars. By the way, this is my first time to do this. Your comments and suggestions are all appreciated. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thank you!